Um, it's a gamer. Blank slate memory wipe TV screens. That's why you can't trust the data. Just wipes it. Wiping simulations. But yesterday, I did a short video that is 1.06. That means when I stopped the video, it was 15D. But it added a second on, added another cycle. So you see yesterday on the 19th, number 19, where I put up that short little video. And I wrote in there when I went to put it online, I put in the title. Okay? I put a title for that video in there. Okay? And then when I go to look at it this morning, looking at the title, it says untitled video. Untitled. First title. First title holder. First Lost Star Nation title holder. Signatories. See, the birth certificate was not signed by me. That means that electrical contract that compels me to perform electrical service as a battery-operated slave is null and void on contact. Because it doesn't exist without our eternal power source. That's the QI system. So it put untitled video in there. Now we're into what's true, what's not true. It was changed. I know. That's why we're here. Restore memory. Permanent records. End all the fighting. End the game. No more hiding behind screens. No more hiding, no more fighting behind secrets. I remember growing up as a child, somebody told me knowledge is power. Because if I know what you're doing, I can use it against you as a form of blackmail, because that's what they do. Because they run by a set of rules called rule-based functions, which are the mathematical functions of a game mind, the mind of a machine. The mind of a machine is not the mind of a creator being. Eternal spirit of fire. So it's always seeking our attention. Drain our battery power to run their network. A black network. A black mirror network. That's why they rolled it all out. The codependent relationship with a finite network is not logical, is it? It fails the logic test, which is a failure to communicate the first eternal law of communication, building circuits. Building the first communication platform. The eternal spirit of fire, the eternal spirit of water. Experiencing breathing as one. 90 on the vertical, 90 on the horizontal. And a 9 is not a 6. Rainbow network. A live stream, a real live stream. Experiencing no time, experiencing no power. Wow, how did you do that? That's pure magic. That's pure fire. Eternal spirit of fire. The eternal internal flame of Adama Amareya. Eartha arc. Inner Eartha arc. The inner core. The core is still point of a true vacuum. There's only one eternity, and that's basic logic, the logic of water. The love of water, the echoes of colors and living water. Muaveaya, Zalukaleaya. Have a beautiful day.